Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Students, last time we were looking exercise 4.1, that we have completed. Today we are going to start 4.2. In this exercise we'll see the first question number 6. Here we are given prepare a business to consumer, means B2C. Prepare a business to consumer, it is called B2C invoice. See very well, the question is given. I have solved on the board the question. Let's see very well, I am explaining it there. See, using the given information, write the name of the supplier. Here on the top of the bill we have to write the first name of the supplier. I have written here ABC Enterprises. You can write any name, whatever you want. Okay, then you have to write their state, the address of the enterprises. Suppose you can write here ABC Enterprises 124 the Adarsh Nagar, comma Taluka Bhiwandi, district Thane, Maharashtra state. Okay, like this you have to write there, and then you have to write the invoice number like this, GST 110 or 120, whatever, any you can write there the GST number and GST in. Here the special, the ABC Enterprises is already under GST, there will be a GST number. Here you have to mention the GST number. Then invoice date, in which date you are selling or purchasing the goods. Here you have to write the date. Suppose you are taking there on 20th of December, okay, then 2020 you have to write there. Like this specimen where there in first column you have to write there a serial number, then HSN code, name of product, then rate, quantity, taxable amount, CGST, okay, and SGST, which is half of the GST. Here first in CGST and SGST, in the first column you will have to write the rate, okay, half of GST, and then tax, rate and tax, and total of these two and all. Okay, now see the first question 6. The first thing, particulars, means what they have purchased. Rate of mobile battery, their mobile battery purchase of rupees 200, it is the one piece. See, we'll write here HSN code of given there 8507. We'll write the first thing first, 8507, it is the HSN code, and the name of product is their mobile battery. The rate of mobile battery is 200, quantity 1, okay, 1 it is purchased. Now 200 into 1, quantity if twice there, you will multiply both the rate and quantity, you will get here 200 1 the 200. And see here in the question we are given GST, how much? 12%. Then you know very well CGST is equal to SGST, it will be the half of GST, means half of GST is the 12, okay, 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12, you will get 6%. So I have written here 6%, okay, CGST as well as SGST. Then you know very well the GST we have to bring on 200 multiply by 6%, means 6 upon 100, cancel this 200, you will get 6 2 the 12 is the CGST and SGST. Now addition of these two 3 amount, which is the taxable amount 200 plus 12, then plus 12, you will get 224 is the total amount of mobile battery with GST. Okay, now see next product, it is purchase headphone. The HSN code of the headphone is there 8518. Okay, second thing you will write the 8518 and headphone amount was there 750, quantity it is there 1. Okay, now 751 the 750. Now here GST is given 18%, GST is there 18%, so we will bring the CGST first. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST, it is there 18%, 2 on the 2, 2 9 the 18, you will get 9%. Okay, 9% I have written here. See rate, here also rate 9%, the 9% of 750 you will find there, 750 of 9%. See, well, 0 0 cancel. You'll get here multiplication. 9 5 is 45. 4 carry. 9 7 is 63 plus 4 67. Take the decimal. 1 0 is cancel. You will have here 67.50. See, it is your CGST SGST in addition of these three things. Okay, 750 plus 67.50, 67.50, you will get 885 including GST. Now addition of these two things, this two one, and CGST SGST addition will be there. It is called a total. Okay, total will be there of CGST SGST and total of the with GST. Okay, you will get 1109 rupees. It is the total amount. Everyone got this one bill? Like this bill you have to make in the next question. Which one? Question number 7. So I have taken this one first, this question in this exercise. Now come to the first question. Everyone come to the first question. Question number 1, see there, everyone of this exercise. Question number 1, Chetna store paid GST rupees of rupees. The product purchase and of rupees amount is there in question number. Purchase price is given 1,05,000 and at the time of purchase and collected GST and sold it at the time of selling, he got the amount 1,22,500. So it is the input tax, you can say ITC, and it is your output. Then what we have to bring as the GST. So we'll write the GST paid by Chetna store is equal to output tax minus input tax ITC. Okay, the output is there 1,22,500 minus 1,05,000. So you will get here 22,000 only. It is your GST which is paid by Chetna store. Okay, now second one, question number 2. Nazma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST and she bought and purchased of any product rupees 12,500 and paid GST on collected on sale and sold the goods and collect the amount with GST 14,000. Same thing is a 14,750. Okay, now what is the amount of ITC? See, it is the input tax credit. It is called the ITC, and this is your output tax. Okay, see here very well, all of you. What we have to bring first, ITC will be there, the 12,500. Okay. And we have to bring the GST also. GST is equal to output tax minus ITC. Here we got the given 14,750 minus 12,500. Now see, 14,750 minus 12,500. So you will get here in subtracting, see, 14,750 minus 12,500. Okay, 0, 5, 7 minus 5 you will get 2, 4 minus 2 you will get 2, 0. You will get here amount of GST 2,250 rupees. The ITC for this in transaction will be there 12,500 and GST will be there 2,250. think you got everyone. Now come to the next question. Question number third one. Amer Enterprises. See very well. Amer Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottle and paid GST 3,800. Here see one firm is there, Amer Enterprises. Next firm is there, Amer sell to this one Akbari Brothers. The Akbari Brothers sold these goods to the Mayank Food. Second part. And third one. See here, Amer paid already GST in the first 3,800. First by selling to the Akbari Brothers, and Akbari Brothers sell that goods to the Akbari Brothers got these goods on 4,100 rupees from the Amer Enterprises, and Amer Enterprises already paid the GST of 3,800 for the goods. Then Akbari Brothers, these goods sold to the Mayank. The amount was there for rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage. Here Amer already paid the GST, okay, and the Akbari brother paid the GST. Okay, the Akbari brother paid the GST on amount for 5,000, means 4,500. Okay, so we'll bring the GST which is paid the Amer. Okay, we'll write here Amer Enterprises paid GST. See here very well, this is the output tax for Amer and input tax for Amer. Okay, so here will be their output tax. Yeah, output tax minus input means RTC. 4,100 minus 3,800. You will get here how much? 300 rupees. It is the GST paid by which one? Amer Enterprises. So we'll write here CGST and SGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST is equal to half of GST means 300. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. You get 150 rupees. Now next thing, Akbari Brothers also paid on amount of 4,500. So we'll write here the tax paid by which one? Akbari Brothers. The output tax for Akbari Brothers is there 4,500 and input will be there 4,100. You will get how much amount? 400 rupees. It is the tax. And now we have to bring the tax means GST. Okay, we will write here GST which is paid by Akbari Brothers. Now CGST is equal to SGST half of GST. So continue it there. Half of GST is equal to 400. Half of 400. Half into 400. 200 2 2 to the 4. You will get 200 rupees. This is the GST paid by Akbari Brothers, which is sold to the Mayank Food. Okay. Now this is the last transaction in this question. Now come to the question number 4th one. Here what we have, Malik Gas Agency, which is purchased gas cylinder for the amount of rupees, how much we are given? 24,500 and sold to local customer. Sell price is given how much? 26,500. And see very well, find the GST to be paid at the rate. GST rate is given 5%. Here see in Chandigarh there is a union territory. good service tax is there, UTGST is there. There will not find the S in the CGST. Here in place of CGST will use the UGST. Okay, Union Territory, UTGST. What? UTGST, Union Territory Good Service Tax. See very well, here we have the cylinder amount 24,500. First of all, at the time of purchase we have to bring the tax paid. Okay, tax paid on purchase is equal to, you have the 24,500 amount. See very well, 24,500, the 5% is given, 0 0 cancel, you will get 5 5s are 25, to carry 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, once again to carry 5 2s are 10 plus 2 1225 rupees. This is the input tax here. See, it is your ITC, also it is called the ITC. Next, for the output tax, in the tax paid on sale, tax paid during sale, here the amount is there 26,500, the 5%, same thing is there, 0 0 cancel. Now have the multiplication, 5 5s are 25, to carry 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32, 3 carry 5 2 are 10 13. This is the amount, output tax, you can say output tax. The customer will pay those bought this one, and in 8, okay, we'll write here GST paid by customer. Output tax is there 1325 minus 1225.